Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card for Bank of America. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankofamerica.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bank of America. Now right at the home page, you will see the login portal from which you can log in to your account. Just type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. Then click on the login button, and once you're logged in, you can click on credit cards and then click on manage your credit card account, from which you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, scroll all the way down and click on contact us. From here underneath contact us, click on credit cards and you will see the contact details that you can use in order to contact the support team to cancel your card. Just call the number mentioned and let the representative know that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will be happy to assist you with the steps that you will need to take in order to cancel it. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to cancel your credit card on Bank of America. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.